The dawn of the alt season and the bygone year had pumped the majority of Ethereum-based tokens. Chiliz was one of the innovative projects which was occupied with impeccable pricing action throughout the year. Chiliz has a promising market cap. Successively, marketers are still keen on developments around Chiliz, and investors are curious about Chiliz price prediction. The Peerless project has set the entertainment sector ablaze. Specifically, gaming football has the highest influence over it. Football giants such as FC Barcelona, Juventus, AC Milan, Manchester City, and PSG are in collaboration with Chiliz. The chief goal has been to enable millions of sports fans to purchase a CHZ token through a crypto exchange. This is in order to cast a vote in consideration of their favorite sports teams. And are you one of the many considering CHZ as an investment in the crypto market? And then you are in the right place. And as this write-up will decode the possible price targets of the digital coin for 2024 and the years to come. The statistics are from the time of publication, and despite the crypto industry starting the month on a bearish note, the CHZ price has displayed a positive jump of approximately 3% in valuation. The Chiliz price had recorded significant volatility during the year's start, resulting in it experiencing a strong bearish move. The CHZ coin price recorded a correction of 19.5% in valuation, after which the bulls regained momentum and the price started trading positively. The price jumped over 54% in a span of 11 days, after which it faced rejection at 0.103851. Following this, the price had constantly experienced pump and dump in its value and traded between 0.08756 and 0.1. After multiple attempts, the price broke out of the range, but the rally was short-lived as it faced rejection at $0.1158. Following this, the price traded in a consolidated range between $0.10266 and $0.11500 for a while. Recently, the bulls lost momentum, resulting in the price breaking down its support level and has been trading sideways since. The moving average convergence divergence displays a decline in a red histogram indicating a rise in the buying pressure in the market. Further, the averages show a high possibility for that is after the price reason that meant with a close 1 or 1% of the buying is mentioned 4 in 10. If the market pushes the price above the resistance level of $1.2266, the bulls will regain power and the price will prepare to test its resistance level of $1 and then soon maintaining the price at that level will set the stage for Chiliz coin to attempt to test its upper resistance level of 0.1150 this month. Conversely, if the bears overpowered the bulls, CHZ price will lose momentum and fall to test its support level of 0.09595. Moreover, if the bears continue to dominate market, it will further plunge and prepare to test its lower support level of 8756 cents in the coming weeks. Chiliz holds the potential to stand strong in the case of extreme market fluctuations. The lion's share of the asset is still held by whales at 68.81%, followed by retailers with a share of 16.85%, and then by investors with 14.34% of holdings. Moreover, the average tenure is 1.8 years. Collectively, it makes for a good long-term hold. Successively growing assistance from whales and retailers will push the price of CHZ to a new high of nothing about $178. Conversely, factors like emerging rivals and an ending stance that sink the price to the minimum price value of $886. That said, constrained by a linear price projection, the average trading price might land at 133 cents. The CHZ network would expand in pace with the growing entertainment and gaming sectors. This can bring in traction for a lot more traders and may lead the price to hit around the 225 mark. In the event that the market collapses, the price may plunge and reach 154 by the end of 2025. However, if the coin survives with persistent investors by giving tough competition to its competitors and rolling out constant developmental upgrades, then by the end of the term, the price of the Chiliz coin may reach 189 cents. According to our analysts, the CHZ coin price prediction for the year 2026 could range between 0.201 to 0.287, and the average price of the Chiliz coin could be around $0.2444. According to our analysts, Chiliz price for the year 2027 could range between 0.268 to 0.352, and the average price of Combitory could be around $0.310. According to our analysts, CHZ crypto prediction for the year 2028 could range between 0.324 to 0.417, and the average Chiliz coin price could be around $3.70, in fact $0.37. According to our analysts, Chiliz's forecast for the year 2029 could range between $1,400 to $1,500 and $506, and the average share coin price could be around 43 cents. According to our analysts, CHZ predictions for the year 2030 could range between $56 to $12, and the average price of Chiliz crypto could be around 58.8. We have made a table that includes the possible price prediction for the same token made by other crypto analysts on their respective platforms. The targets mentioned above are the average targets set by the respective firms. The constant upgrades and collaborations will give a boost to the price of Chiliz. An expected expansion in the sports and entertainment industry in the near future would uplift on the price action. According to Coinpedia's own research on Chiliz price prediction, with bullish market sentiments, CHZ's price may move upward to 178 by the end of 2024. On the downside, future market fluctuations and increased competition may adversely affect Chiliz price, which may result in the collapse of the coin's price to 8,086 cents. Chiliz was launched in 2012 as an integral part of Malta-based international sports and entertainment firm MediaX Group. The blockchain gradually introduced the Socio.com platform and CHZ token in 2018. The protocol was soon listed across the majority of the crypto exchanges across the globe. Moreover, the platform holds main offices in France, Brazil, South Korea, Spain, and Turkey. The project was the vision of Alexander Dreyfus, who is the present CEO. The founder has accumulated knowledge of over 20 years in web-based tech firms. Prior to launching for the Chiliz platform in 2017, he designed WebCity, an interactive travel guide, and two unique online poker products, Winamax and Chili Poker. His aim was to fully distribute fan tokens as a better fan engagement tool and as a sturdy profit generation. Push people beyond the simple, and then we make up beyond to see that are starting more saturated about whether research is to demand a lot of everything that they're going to in and safe, and then the inflation of fiat currencies, hyperinflation could drive people and governments towards cryptocurrencies as an alternative. Don't want that to put. But let's talk about that impact. What's the biggest thing that makes what I would love? Chiliz has been one of the predominant blockchain-backed fintech service providers for mainstream sports and entertainment platforms. The main motive of the platform is to drive the traction of mainstream consumers by providing a currency option for blockchain-backed products and services. And Chiliz has its own native token, CHZ, an ERC20 token built on the Ethereum blockchain. The protocol further benefits traders while purchasing non-fungible tokens and marketplace. The platform has also been designed to be BEP2 compatible. The Chiliz crypto went live on Ethereum's mainnet in the month of June and managed to hover between 0.004509 and 0.01724 until the year's end. By mid-2020, notable collaborations with gaming platforms helped the price jump from 0.0122 to 0.214. Failing to pick up steam, the altcoin lingered around 10,075 cents for the rest of the year. And a lot of the things that you do have back in an airplane, a quality way to talk to it, talk way to SEC. You don't have any back to it, mass screen, and then once the FUDs resulting from the Chinese market crash in May, and then the price underwent a steady fall to $12.38 by mid-June. Q4 was fairly bullish for the altcoin as it took a parabolic move to $54.59 by late October. However, the year was concluded at $3,045. Yes, if you are planning for the long term, Chiliz looks promising as the protocol is planning for expansion in the gaming, metaverse, and DePi space. According to our CHZ price prediction, the altcoin could soar to a maximum of $0.178 by the end of 2024, since the protocol employs the genesis of a decentralized network. It enjoys data encryption, which makes it safe and secure. The price of CHZ might soar to a maximum of $22.5 by the end of 2025, with a potential surge. The price could go as high as $16-12 by the end of 2030. But Chiliz is available across popular platforms like Binance, Coinbase, and Huobi, amongst others. At the time of publishing, the price of 1 gigabit in 1C is $1,146.